So this time we're going to do a quick unboxing of the HD PVR Rocket. It's a portable video recorder. You can use it for recording video from game consoles, PCs, just about any video device that gives you an HDMI out. So it's a very nice little product. So it gives you full recording without needing a PC to have it connected to, so you can connect it just to your console. Some of the other benefits is that it's powered by the USB connection from the console itself. So it's completely self-contained. It doesn't need any external power sources or anything. You plug it into your console's USB port, that powers it. Then you just run the console's HDMI through this, and it captures everything for you. It'll do up to 1080p, 30 frames per second. Apparently it'll also do 720p at 60 frames per second if that's what you really want. Personally, I prefer 1080. I don't really mind the loss of frame rate. The other nice thing about this is that it records via USB as well, so the storage for it is going to be a flash drive, which is why I also got this 128 gig SanDisk Ultra Fit USB 3.0 flash drive. Now, the nice thing about this is it's ridiculous size. I hate flash drives that stick out of things. If you look at this, it's literally about the size of a thumbnail. And that's 128 gigs of storage. So it's USB 3.0, so it's super fast. A ton of storage for doing video captures on the road. And when you're using something like the HD PVR Rocket, really comes in handy as a storage device. So I'll be taking both of these through their paces also and showing some gameplay footage as well. First, let's go ahead and open up the Rocket. A box inside of a box, of course. And in the past, I have used the original HD PVR, but it was a much bigger device. So if you see here, pretty simple device. HDMI in, HDMI out. Nothing super crazy there. And then you also have USB for powering it, and you can also do AV in. I'm assuming that's for PlayStation 3. The other side you have your USB for your storage, and you also have a microphone in, which is nice, so you can do voiceovers while you're recording. Nice single button control. Not bad at all. Nice, nifty, small little device. Another look at the connectors. On the top, just one single button to start recording, and your storage. Not all that big. It would fit in your pocket. That's the way they advertise it or market it. It's a portable device to fit in your pocket. I really don't know if I want something that thick sitting in my pocket, but if we're going off technicalities, I guess you really could fit that in a pocket. Comes with the USB cable for powering it. Let's see what else is in here. HDMI cable actually included with it. That's a nice touch. I'm amazed at how many devices don't include anything. And wow, it actually includes a 3.5mm jack lavalier microphone or lapel microphone as well. Was not expecting that. And all your standard component video cables and all that good stuff. Nothing that I'll probably be needing. My needs are mainly going to be PC or Xbox One. And again, still surprised it comes with an HDMI cable. So again, that's the HD PVR Rocket. We'll give it a performance test a little bit later. Then we've also got a SanDisk 128 gig USB flash drive here. Just again to give you an idea the size of this thing. Literally tiny. See if I can get the camera to focus a bit here. No, it's not going to do it. But anyway, tiny size, 128 gig capacity. Kind of amazing for something that small. And also in the package is a little cover for it as well. I guess mainly I'd consider it a dust cover at this point. Just goes on it. And now it's covered. Nothing crazy. I'll go ahead and next will be some actual video capture using the device.